Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine. Today our video is related to loss recovery. In crypto market, after we invest our money, there are sometimes we do losses. So many reasons that have for market get price down. The first reason was there are so many reasons that market hacking, bad news, money overflowing, and politics and manipulations and other things have for this. So we recover our losses. So let's deep in our chart. So in our chart, suppose here, suppose you have buy 100 coin and per coin is $1 and you have buy total $100 of your investment. Okay, so you have invest $100. So after your investment, that you see the price is getting down 50%. The 50% is price down, that means now you have $50 and you have quantity of coin is $100. Your quantity of coin $100 and the total value of your invest now 50%. So after 1 or 2 weeks the price is not getting up. So what will you do that time? That time you should wait for the little bit of up. So suppose the price is 20% up. So if the price 20% up, that time you should sell your 50% of your coin. So if you sell the 50% of your coin, the total value of quantity of coin $100 and the total value of your invest now 50%. So after 1 or 2 weeks the price is not getting up. So what will you do that time? That time you should wait for the little bit of up. So suppose the price is 20% up. So if the price 20% up, that time you should sell your 50% of your coin. So if you sell the 50% of your coin, the total sell your 50% of your coin. So if you sell the 50% of your coin, the total value of your coin have $60 and you have cash in hand $30 and also you have $50 in your hold. So those $50 in your hold, you don't sell them that time because most of the retailer they sell all of the coin that time and they grab the losses. So you don't sell your 50%, you do long for the 50% of your investment. And when your price is your desired range like $1 or $1 more, that time you can sell with profit and you can recover your losses too. And so after you selling of 50%, that time you see that after a couple of weeks the price getting down 20%. So after getting down 20%, that time you have a $30 in your hand. So when you have a $30 in your hand, so you do rebuy again. And if the 4.8 price, the per coin price that time was 4.8 and total you have a coin 112 or 112 and let's see that the average cost of your coin is getting down, and because when you purchase the coin that time price was $1, now by your DCA the price is 0.88 cent. So it's a good sign that you have reduced your cost. Also you have increase your coin capacity, because when you invest your $100 that time you have a 100 coin. Now for your DCA the price you have a 102 coin, 2.5 coin. So in this situation, that if the price getting up and you can recover your losses by this way, inshallah. So if you need the Excel sheet, so you can do comment in your comment section and I will send the Excel file there. And also you can suggest me that for your, if you need more videos any subject of cryptocurrency, you can suggest me in comment and I will try to make video of those subject, inshallah. Okay, thank you for your time. Good night.